Important question of chapter Quadratic Equations. To fill a swimming pool, two pipes are used. If the pipe of the larger diameter used for 4 hours, takes 4 hours, and the pipe of a smaller diameter for 9 hours, only half of the pool can be filled. Find how long it would take for each pipe to fill the pool separately. If the pipe of the smaller diameter takes 10 hours more than the pipe of the larger diameter to fill the pool. So now let the larger diameter pipe takes x hours and the smaller diameter pipe takes x plus 10 hours to fill the swimming pool. Now according to the question, 4 hours. Now 4 hours takes larger diameter. It means total time taken by 4 by x. 1 hour में भरने के लिए उसको कितना टाइम लगेगा? 4 by x. और second smaller diameter takes 9 hours. So it will take 9 by x plus 10 equal to fill the pool half only. They fill the pool मतलब pool को कितनी देर आधा ही भरते हैं, यानी 1 घंटे में ये भरेगा 4 by x, दूसरा भरेगा 9 by x plus 10. यह इक्वेशन बन गई. अब इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? तो देखिए, सॉल्व करने के लिए टेक एलसीएम x अपॉन x plus 10. This is the LCM of this. Now x cancel, multiplied by 4 x plus 10. Now 9 into x equal to 1 by 2. Solve this. 4x plus 40 plus 9x. Now divide by x square plus 10x. Multiply by x equal to 1 by 2. Now 4 plus 9 13x. 2 into 13x plus 40. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं और इधर है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 10x. राइट हियर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 10x माइनस 13 इंटू 2 26x, 40 इंटू 2 80 and it means minus 80 equal to 0. This is the equation x square minus 16x minus 80 equal to 0. Now you can solve by splitting middle term. So we can split middle term. 20 into 4 80. So minus 20x plus 4x minus 16 minus 80. इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो आएगा minus 16 और ये मल्टीप्लाई minus 80. Take x common, x minus 20 and 4 common, x minus 20. So x minus 20 and x plus 4. This is the factorization of the above equation. Now give the answer. If x minus 20 equal to 0, it means x equal to 20. The answer is 20 hours takes larger pipe to fill the pool separately, and the 10 hours more, it means 30 hours take a smaller pipe. Now x plus 4 equal to 0, then x equal to minus 4. It is not possible. Minus में नहीं हो सकता, इसलिए x plus 4 is not possible. The right answer is 20 hours and 30 hours. This is the equation of this question.